Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Captain Creativity. I am your host, David Merel. I'm here at Rapid TCT, and look what I just found. It's like finding a chupacabra in the wild. The Elegoo company decided to also come out with a CoreXY. I almost totally missed this when I was at the show yesterday. And check this out. It's a nice enclosed CoreXY unit. There's a lot of hush-hush on it. But what I can tell you already is that the build dimension is 256 by 256 by 256. Now, interestingly, when I asked them about the speed, they wouldn't even tell me the speed. So I'm kind of wondering if this is going to be a speed that's way higher than some of the competitors and they want to keep it as a secret right now. What I do know is this. I know that they said that the slicing software is going to be Cura. They're going to use that as their slicing platform. And other than that, I could see that it has a nice LCD screen on the bottom. That's pretty cool. But there is something that actually I think I'm actually pleased with. Notice that the filament holder is right here on the side, as well as the filament runout sensor. But I am a big fan of that. You know, so many times we see these printers where they're putting the filament on the back of the printer, which makes it totally inaccessible. Here they made it really accessible. It's right on the side. I love it. That's excellent. I think they listened to the people, and the people have spoken, and it's here. Anyway, very cool. Let's check out some other details on it. Okay, so as you can see, we're inside now the Centauri Carbon. I mean, I will tell you, it looks insanely similar to the Bamboo Labs printer. So the question is, how is this going to be different? How is it going to compete? As you can see, there's a nozzle wiper on the back side of it. Yep, right there's a camera. And this just looks really interesting. Check that out. So very excited to see what this baby can do. Hey everybody, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.